um, Malaysia sent some troops to Saudi Arabia. So what is the relation that Malaysia trying to create with government of Saudi Arabia from North Thunder exercise? Is it the preparation for World War III?
Excellent question. World War III. I think I will just quote the Prime Minister of this country. That's all I can do. Right. Because I'm still a foreigner. They won't give me PR or citizenship. You know it and I know it. Right? I'll always be a foreigner. So, very suspicious character. You see what the Saudis have been doing? They have been trying to gather together forces of Muslim countries. What for? There are a number of explanations. One explanation is the Americans have told the Middle Eastern countries, we are not going to fight another war for you. Take it from me. They made it very clear. We are not going to fight for you anymore. All right? Even for your petrodollars. We are not ready to do that. It's your war, you are going to fight. Okay. And I think finally, some of these countries have realized that the Americans have become very serious. Right? But this is not to say the Americans will not maintain bases there. This is not to say Americans will not send special forces. Right? There are actually thousands of American special forces operating in northern Iraq and also in northern Syria. So they will help. But the actual bulk of fighting will have to be done by them. And I think that's where the Saudis have good relationship with this country. So they are seeking the help of Malaysia, for example. And they are also thinking of appointing or inviting the chief of staff of the Pakistani army to lead this force. I just heard it somewhere, right? So it is possibly this is what they are up to. Whether it will lead to Third World War, possibly it is meant to introduce ground forces into Syria, not to any other part. I told you, nobody wants to have another war. Right? War is expensive. It is not a good thing to do. So that would be my response. But anything can happen. You don't know. Sometimes people do irrational things. Okay? But don't be so alarmed. I think Malaysians by nature, how to put it? Shall I say very suspicious? But you don't express, which is also true. I always scold my students here, saying that you are the most polite students I've ever seen anywhere in the world. You are so good, that you don't do two things. Number one, you never ask any questions. They don't. And number two, they never say, sir, time is up, please leave. They also don't say that. They are so nice people. So maybe it's a problem. But I think you shouldn't get worried. You shouldn't get worried. These things do happen. And it takes time for things to settle down. All right?